Hi, my name is David. I'm part of the Build, Grow, Scale family, joined up in March this year. A couple of months ago, Tanner popped up on Facebook and gave a video saying we're offering a site audit. Now for me, that was a fantastic opportunity because we kept applying, we kept trying to do things, but you try and figure it out on yourselves. And then when you get an opportunity to have somebody who's a specialized optimization expert to look at your site and get specific with the understandings they have, but look at it in your context, I thought it was an opportunity not to be missed. For me, in many ways, it was the missing jigsaw piece of what I was looking for. Now, I've had reports done for me in the past, obviously, we all have had this kind of thing. But what was so brilliant about this is it was written by one of the team from Build, Grow, Scale who does this day in, day out, looks at sites and makes suggestions based on all their expertise. Now, I found that whereas the material is brilliant from Build, Grow, Scale, sometimes you're thinking, well, is this right? Is this correct? This was an opportunity for somebody to spend detailed time on the site, really digging in deep. Everything was gone through systematically with screenshots that I could look and then unpick. And what I found is, we've all heard this concept of banner blindness. And I guess what happens is you get used to your site, you think it is on the right track, but to have someone come back at you and say, why do you do this? Or have you looked at that? Or this is friction, this is a problem, this needs changing. Honestly, 12 pages, but those 12 pages there's so much depth there. There's so much that can be applied. And we're in the process of applying those and making changes and making tests. Half the issue as well is when someone asks you a question about your site, it forces you to go deep and say, well, why do we do that? Why has it been set up like that? Is there anything we've missed here? So that process has been brilliant.